This is another number challenge problem with number 2023. Here we try to find integer solutions for square root of x plus square root of y equals square root of 2023. Now, as with any problem with square root, you probably want to square it. However, in this case, you do not want to directly square it because you want to avoid the cross term square root of x, y. So what we do is we're going to do some algebra first by moving square root of y to the right hand side and then square it. Okay, notice that 2023 is 17 squared times 7. So that is 17 times square root of 7. Alright, so if you square it, you become this. Now from here we know that in order for the whole thing to hold, this 7y must be a perfect square in order for the square root to be an integer. So 7y is a perfect square, which means y itself must be 7 times some perfect square. That is, y equals 7m squared for some non-negative integer m. Now, since x and y here is symmetric, that is, you can use similar argument to argue that x must also be form of 7 times a perfect square. So using the similar argument, you can assume that x equals 7n squared for some other integer n. Now with that, you can just plug into the original equation. Yeah, let's do that. And the equation becomes here. Now square root of 7 can be cancelled. And you get m plus n. So that is, you now know the solution would be given by some parameter m and n with constraint that m plus n is 17. So let's just use m as a parameter, and the xy can be expressed in terms of m. Yeah, so if m here, x would be 7m squared, y would be 7 times 17 minus m squared. What is m? M is an integer from 0 to 17. So there are 18 solutions. Alright, so in summary, this is the solution given by a parameter m from 0 to 17. This is probably an easier problem for number 2023. In next few days, I'm going to pose some more difficult problem with number 2023 in terms of number theory or related puzzle or questions. So in the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.